So what is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech again, back at you with another video. And I just woke up and I saw that AMD has done their keynote regarding its latest features, and I'm interested in one feature that they have currently discussed in that keynote, and this is the AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution. So I haven't actually watched this video, so I'm gonna watch it with you guys and like put some of my reactions or my comments regarding this new feature that AMD has presented. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch it together. I'm gonna record the keynote from itself, and we're gonna do some reactions. Okay, so we're gonna record it and we're gonna play it now.
Many of you have been asking for an update on AMD's FidelityFX Super Resolution, and I am super excited to show you what we've come up with. So let's get right to it. There is no dispute, gamers know performance is king, whether it's an immersive AAA game or a competitive esports title. Many gamers also want to be able to turn on the latest visual technologies, like ray tracing, while maintaining an acceptable frame rate. And as I shared earlier, tens of millions of gamers are now playing on gaming laptops, and we want similar experiences to what we get on the desktop.
GPU open, okay.
As a result, high-performance upscaling and reconstruction have become a gaming necessity. This is why
upscaling,
we have developed FidelityFX Super Resolution for all gamers.
Should I?
FidelityFX Super Resolution, or FSR, is built around a state-of-the-art spatial upscaling algorithm that delivers a great gaming experience with super high-quality edges and distinctive pixel detail.
So basically, it's like DLSS, right?
It greatly improves performance, especially when demanding effects like ray tracing are turned on. We have developed FSR to deliver great performance, great image quality, and most importantly, for broad adoption. On the left,
broad
is the
adoption,
running at native 4K resolution with ray tracing enabled and in-game settings set to max. As you can see, the performance hovers just around 50 frames per second. By enabling FSR and setting it to ultra quality, the visual experience is practically identical.
Okay, I know that Godfall is an AMD title. I've played this one, or just tested playing this one. Tama-tama, or it's up to date because I've just recently reviewed the 6700 XT, and if this feature is available on that card, then I need to check. We need to check. This is a good
true-to-life look and feel, but with a 59% performance uplift.
59%?
Some
really?
of us care more about performance, and some of us care more about image quality. And that's exactly why we've created 4 different quality settings in FSR.
Okay.
Gamers can expect anywhere from a 59% increase between native and ultra quality mode to over 2x increase when switching to performance mode.
Really? Two times increase?
Our goal at AMD is to create new technologies and features to drive the entire gaming industry forward by making them as broadly available as possible. And because the FidelityFX suite of technologies is available on GPUopen.com for the entire industry to freely access, FidelityFX Super Resolution will be supported across a wide range of products. FSR will be enabled on all Radeon RX 6000, RX 5000, RX 500, and RX Vega series graphics cards, and as well as on all Ryzen processors with Radeon graphics.
Okay, good thing for APU. This is a win for the APU, and also if the result that we get from using this FSR is as good as what he is saying, then this is actually great.
Demonstrating once again AMD's commitment to drive the gaming industry forward, I have an exciting demo to show you now.
And of course, if you're using an older graphics card, then you will be able to hold on to that graphics card for like much longer until the prices stabilize, right? As this is actually a really good feature.
AMD's FidelityFX Super Resolution not only works on AMD hardware, but also across a wide variety of
What? What he's showing here is a GTX 1060 from 27 FPS to 38 FPS. Oh, it's available also on Nvidia. So how will you install this? Will there any be a driver conflict or?
Including their most popular graphics card according to Steam, the GTX 1060. As a matter of fact, FSR will work on all.
So is AMD like walking on top of Nvidia's head?
GPUs to current.
It's like saying so you did your DLSS and we're gonna do our Fidelity FX on you as well.
Gamers can extend the life of their GPU even further.
Yeah. If like because before I was using a 1660 Ti. Yeah, then this performance boost is actually really good if there will be no driver issues or there will be no conflicts in this one.
And for game developers, that means less proprietary code they need to implement for wider impact.
Okay, yeah. So if Fidelity FX is widely adopted even on Nvidia cards, then I don't know. My question is the driver, if there will be any driver conflicts, but this is really great.
AMD's FidelityFX can provide more than 2x performance at its fastest setting in select titles.
2x, huh?
It offers 4 different quality settings that gamers can select and already has support from over 10 game studios and engines, with a lot more planned in 2022.
Wait. When using NVIDIA, will that be on DirectX 12 or? Yeah,
And
probably.
most importantly, it will be available on over 100 GPUs and CPUs, plus our competitors' products.
Competitors. Competitors' products. Okay.
First set of games supporting FSR will be available on June 22nd. Tell us what games you would like to see with FSR enabled by visiting amd.com/FSR.
Red Dead
We will
Redemption.
do our best to work with game developers to get this feature integrated into their games as soon as possible.
Alright, so that's it for this keynote, I guess. But while I was doing this keynote, the NVIDIA one is actually ongoing, so I want to watch that. So I want to finish this video as quick as possible. But this is really great. This is a win for us consumers, or for those gamers who are really having a hard time purchasing a new graphics card to adapt to new games. Then this features AMD FidelityFX Super Resolution. If it will be as good as what he said, then it's a win for us, guys. And not to mention that they're implementing it on Nvidia's cards as well. So because when I tried out G-Sync, I was not satisfied with the performance, to be honest. But if this is like plus 10 on a 1060, then that's not really noticeable in the eye, but sometimes in the gameplay when you have like more resources that are coming off of the graphics, then that would like eliminate some of the lagging or the jittery effect that you have from low FPS. That is it for this video. Like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'm gonna watch the NVIDIA keynote now and see you on the next video.